I once bought a dual shower head that looked incredible online. 10 minutes after installation, the pressure dropped, the handheld holder sagged, and water sprayed from the connection like a tiny bathroom fountain. Choosing the right model is harder than it looks because size, pressure, mounting, hose reach, and diverter quality all matter. So I narrowed the field to 6 strong options, from affordable upgrades to a true luxury system. And the #1 pick solves the biggest problem most dual heads quietly ignore. 6. AquaDance Premium High Pressure 3-Way Rainfall Combo. This is best for budget-conscious buyers who want lots of spray choices without remodeling the shower. The AquaDance combines a 7-inch rainfall head with a handheld unit, and both offer 6 spray settings. You can select a broad rain pattern, pulsing massage, mist, or mixed modes, depending on whether you're waking up, relaxing, or rinsing shampoo from thick hair. Its 3-way diverter lets you use either shower head independently or run both together. That flexibility is important because cheaper 2-way diverters may force you to choose one head at a time, which rather defeats the point of buying a dual system. Installation was pleasantly simple. Everything attached to the existing shower arm without drilling, and the handheld hose provided enough reach for bathing children, washing a dog, or rinsing the shower walls. Keep the plumber's tape nearby, though, because the connections require careful tightening. Here is my main complaint. When both heads run simultaneously, the pressure can feel noticeably softer, especially in homes with modest water pressure. The finish also looks more premium from a distance than it feels in your hand. There's quite a bit of lightweight material here. The adjustable overhead angle is useful, but the whole assembly can feel crowded on a short shower arm. Bottom line, AquaDance delivers impressive variety for the money, but it's better viewed as an affordable feature upgrade than a buy-it-for-life bathroom fixture. 5. Moen Engage Chrome Magnetix. The Moen Engage is best for anyone who values effortless handheld docking over maximum rainfall coverage. The star of the design is Moen's Magnetix docking system. After using the handheld, you simply guide it near the holder and the magnet pulls it into position with a satisfying click. You know, it is a small convenience that becomes surprisingly hard to give up. Its multiple spray functions cover everyday rinsing, wider coverage, massage, and concentrated cleaning. Changing modes feels straightforward, and the flexible hose makes the handheld genuinely useful for shaving, washing children, assisting someone with limited mobility, or attacking soap residue in the far corner. The chrome finish looks clean and works with almost any bathroom style. Installation is manageable on a standard shower arm, although correctly positioning the combination unit can take a little experimentation. Taller users may want an extension arm if the existing outlet sits low. Now, for the downside. The overhead spray does not create the enveloping rain effect of a truly large rainhead, and water flow can feel divided when both outlets operate together. I mean, it is comfortable, but do not expect a tropical downpour from average household plumbing. The magnetic dock is wonderfully convenient, yet the handheld can be knocked loose if it is returned carelessly or pulled sideways by the hose. Overall, Moen wins on everyday usability and brand familiarity, but its shower coverage is good rather than spectacular. Delta HydroRain 2-in-1. This is best for families wanting strong cleaning power and a polished all-purpose shower head. Delta's HydroRain design balances a fixed overhead spray with targeted handheld coverage. The water pattern feels broader and more controlled than the 2 lower-ranked options, giving your shoulders consistent coverage while still letting you direct water exactly where it is needed. The included spray settings are meaningfully different rather than tiny variations of the same pattern. A full-body spray handles normal showers, massage helps with tight shoulders, and the concentrated Pro Clean Style spray is particularly useful when rinsing tile, glass doors, or stubborn shampoo. Switching between functions feels intuitive, and the handheld sits securely when docked. That matters more than it sounds. A loose shower wand rattling above your head does not exactly create the calm, spa-like mood promised on the box. I also liked the nozzle design because mineral buildup can be rubbed away instead of requiring a deep cleaning every few weeks. Homes with hard water will appreciate that. The overall construction still contains non-metal components, but the assembled fixture feels stable and thoughtfully designed. Running both sprays naturally divides the available flow, yet the coverage remains satisfying with decent household pressure. Well, it is not the cheapest option, but Delta gets the fundamentals right. Comfortable spray, useful cleaning performance, easy control, and fewer annoying compromises. 3. American Standard Spectra Duo 2-in-1. The Spectra Duo is best for people who want wide coverage with controls that are easy to reach. The large fixed head immediately creates a more immersive shower than compact combination units. Water spreads across the upper body instead of concentrating on one shoulder, while the integrated handheld can be removed whenever you need precise rinsing or easier bathroom cleaning. Its 4 spray functions include patterns suited to gentle rainfall, stronger rinsing, massage, and more focused coverage. The controls are positioned so you can change the spray without awkwardly reaching behind the shower head. That feels safer when everything is wet and slippery. The handheld integrates neatly into the main head, keeping the fixture from looking like two unrelated products connected by a hose. Removing it feels natural, and the hose offers useful mobility without constantly twisting or fighting against the direction you want to move. Pressure is well distributed for such a broad face. Of course, your plumbing still determines the final result, but this model avoids the weak, misty sensation that can affect oversized heads. The spray feels full enough for rinsing long hair without turning the shower into a punishment. My only real hesitation is its physical size. In a compact enclosure, the Spectra Duo can dominate the space, and a low shower arm may position it uncomfortably close to taller users. Otherwise, it is refined, practical, and noticeably more premium than basic dual head kits. 2. Boona Tandem Showerhead. The Boona Tandem is best for couples who are tired of one person standing cold at the back. Unlike conventional dual systems, Boona places shower heads at opposite ends of the shower. That changes the experience completely. Instead of 2 sprays coming from one wall, warm water reaches both people, making shared showers far more comfortable and, well, considerably less diplomatic. The attachment installs without opening the wall or adding permanent plumbing. Its mounting design carries water across the shower to the second head, so renters and homeowners can create opposing coverage without committing to a major renovation. That is the clever part. Each side provides adjustable spray settings, allowing one person to use a broader pattern while the other chooses something more concentrated. The pressure feels surprisingly energetic when the home has adequate flow, and the opposing streams surround you more effectively than stacked shower heads. Boona also makes sense beyond couples. The second outlet can improve coverage in a long walk-in shower, keep someone warm while assisting a child, or reduce that miserable cold air moment when you step away from the mainstream to grab shampoo. There are practical considerations. You need a compatible shower layout, and the visible connecting structure will not suit every bathroom aesthetic. But for its intended purpose, the Tandem is genuinely different. It solves the shared shower problem rather than merely adding another nozzle beside the first. Kohler HydroRail System. The HydroRail is best for buyers seeking a refined rain and hand shower system without rebuilding the wall. HydroRail uses a vertical column to organize the overhead rain head, handheld shower, hose, and controls into one cohesive fixture. The result looks intentional, not like a collection of accessories stacked onto an old shower arm. This is where the bathroom starts feeling expensive. The Rainhead provides broad, even coverage that relaxes rather than attacks, while the hand shower handles targeted rinsing, hair washing, accessibility needs, and cleanup. Depending on the exact HydroRail package, spray functions and included components can vary, so check the bundle before ordering. What impressed me most was the adjustability. The handheld holder can move along the rail, making it easier to position for adults, children, or seated users. Switching between the overhead and handheld outlets also feels controlled and natural, rather than stiff or confusing. The system attaches using existing plumbing in many configurations, giving you the visual impact of a more complete shower system without automatically requiring behind-the-wall renovation. User feedback also highlights smooth switching and easy adjustment of the handheld position. Yes, HydroRail costs more, and installation demands more measuring than a basic screw-on combo, but this is the winner because it addresses pressure distribution, ergonomics, appearance, and everyday flexibility as one complete system. Bottom line, if your budget allows it, Kohler delivers the most convincing long-term upgrade. Outro. Every model here serves a different bathroom, but do not buy on spray count alone. Check your water pressure, shower arm height, available space, and whether you actually need a handheld, opposing sprays, or full rainfall coverage. Get those decisions right, and your next shower upgrade will feel good long after the unboxing excitement disappears.